This is our project, the Carbon Management System. This mainly focuses on the problem of three sectors. First, the industrial area, second, the highways, and third, normal city areas. We will dive in all three of them one by one. So firstly, let's begin with the industrial areas. We all know that industries are responsible for large amount of carbon dioxide emission, especially those industries which uses fossil fuels as their source for energy production. So this model aims at capturing the carbon dioxide which is released from industries before it get released into the atmosphere. With the help of this model, we will be able to capture around 70 to 80% of the carbon dioxide. This captured carbon dioxide will be processed and then will be supplied for further use. This is the whole setup of this model. Here, these pipelines are used to capture carbon as these are connected with the chimneys from where carbon dioxide will be emitted. From these pipelines, the gases which is released will be transferred into these cylindrical vessels where these gases will be filtered by the process of zeolite. Once filtration is done, then with the help of these pipelines only, this gas will be supplied to the compressor. In compressor, we can see there are two connections. One is for carbon and another one is for other gases. So in compressor, we will convert this gas into the liquid form so that more amount of carbon will be stored. Then after converting these gases into liquid form, it will be stored in different containers. Along with this procedure, on the passage of transportation of these gases to the compressor, we may also introduce turbine which will be moved by the force of these moving gases and it will contribute to the energy production. After all this, these stored gases is transported to different industries as per the requirement. For example, carbon is used as raw material for chemical and polymer industries, petrochemical industries, petroleum, etc. Similarly, nitrogen is also used as raw material in various industries like food processing, plastic and synthetic polymers, etc. This is how, as per requirement, transportation of gases will take place, and this is the whole model designed specifically for industrial areas. Now, for highway areas, firstly we have to introduce an AI system which will detect the amount of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. This AI system will get activated if the amount of carbon dioxide reaches its limit, after which vacuum based carbon capturing system will start capturing the excess carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. And after capturing this carbon dioxide, same procedure is followed as it was in previous case of industrial areas. Talking about normal city areas, we have planned to install a liquid tree in the streets. Liquid tree is introduced by Dr. Ivan, in which a liquid is present which is combination of tap water and microalgae. Its potential is same as that of 20-year-old tree to release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. This liquid tree will use solar energy to charge itself and will serve as